What you doing over here, Nick?
Huh?
What are you doing over here?
Trying to put more stuff in there.
We are doing laundry.
Well, you'd have to tell my husband. Making a mess.
Making a mess. But hey, tell you, it's $4.50 here for these. $3.50, $4.50. Man, prices are going up, guys. Prices are going up. So anyhow, we are here at the laundromat. We have service, so I wanted to give you guys an update of what's happening, what's going on. There's just so much stuff that has happened in the last 24 hours that I do want to let you guys know. So here it goes, all right? One, we're at the laundromat. Okay, that's today so far. But last night, guys, last night, we had to upload, I think, 3 videos. Those are up now, or should be up. I know one comes on at 7:30 tonight, one comes on tomorrow at 7:30, and then the next one at 7:30. So they're all lined out for you guys to be able to watch. So anyways, guys, oh, thank gosh, there's AC coming here. We're here at the laundromat, guys. I think I already told you that, but hey, I'm gonna keep on reminding you, all right? So I'm gonna tell you a little bit what has happened in the last 24 hours. I'm not gonna give you the whole story because there is a video that will be out for this occasion that has happened last night. Me and Nick basically were about to go to jail last night for welcome to Alabama. You know what I mean? So it's a very sad story, but luckily Nick got it on camera, the whole incident. So basically, I'm just going to give you a rundown of, we were at a gas station last night because we don't have service of where we're at. So we had to come into town to upload our videos. Well, it took 3 hours to upload 4 videos. 2 for me, 2 for Nick. And we sat in a gas station parking lot, bought cigarettes, bought gas. So we were a paying customer. You know, that's what we thought it would have been okay, right? Well, the cops were called. Just because the clerk inside, their story was that we were sitting in the parking lot suspicious. So they called the cops on us. Cops rolled up on us, and I mean, it went haywire. And that's the best I can give you, because that video is going to be up. It's going to be up today. We're going to put it up. We're going to edit it and do what we have to do with our special logo and stuff like that to put it up. It will be on the website, and it will be on YouTube. Like I said, members will see it first. Then it will be released to the general pub. But there will be videos that will go to members first. And that's what's benefit of being a member. So I want to say thank you to all the members out there. You're going to have a good story. I'm telling you. Hey, we didn't go to jail. We're here. But what they did to us, and how our rights and everything to do with what's really going on in this world explained everything last night. Hello, this is Brian. Hello. Sorry, no collect calls for you. So anyhow, so now we wake up. We had to do, it's time to wake up, it's the 4th of the month. No, anyways, so now we're doing our laundry, you know, a normal thing. But this is basically an update, because every time we come into town, we're going to give you an update, let you guys know what's happening, what's going on, and then what videos are coming out. So we got one tonight at 7:30, and we got another one tomorrow night at 7:30, and then our updates. I'm going to try to do an update every day to keep you guys up to date of what's happening and what videos are coming out next. So you guys are up to par, up to date on that factor. But I'm telling you, things are happening, things are going wonderful. We are moving in the right direction. I feel that everything that we do with you guys and taking this trailer on an adventure, we have stepped it up. We are moving in the right direction. We feel that everything happens for a reason. Thank him, because everything lines into play. But we still have to make our decisions and what we want to do and how we want to do it. So hope and we pray every night that everything works out. But last night was a very eye-opener experience, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. But like I said, everything is good. We are doing our laundry, and we're touch basing and adding more videos to the channel. If you guys want, Nick has dropped the little canyon video on her page, Love the Adventure. If you guys want to go over there, show her some love. She has another outlook of the canyon. She did a whole different kind of video. Maybe we can do like a contest kind of thing. Which video do you guys like the most? The pros, the cons, Brian's team, Nick's team, let's go, you know what I mean? And I want to give you guys an update on Johnny. So at the canyon, we did drop him off at the canyon, and he's getting a ride back now. He should be back tomorrow. So yeah, we dropped him off at the canyon. Basically, it was an easy drop, and he called. And I said, "Oh man, I'm so sorry. I thought you were in the back." You know what I mean? But yeah, so he'll be back with us tomorrow, and everything will be back into play with him. I did let him know that he needs to start doing some of our updates. Maybe you guys can see him on our updates, and then I can take a little bit of days off or something. Maybe give him a script and say, "Hey, read this, and let's run it." You know what I mean? So you're going to see him a little bit more. But God bless you guys. Just want to give you guys an update what's happening. And don't forget, members see the videos first. God bless you guys. Have a good one. See you on the next update and the next adventure. What's going on? All right. Yeah, can you go. It's recording. Go. Look at his jail clothes, huh?
Yeah.
I'm just playing with you. I wouldn't beat him up too bad.